Hi friends, I'm here in my kitchen today and I would like to invite you to do a science experiment with me. It's been a while since we've been able to do any science experiments in our classroom, but the fun thing about science is that you can do a lot of it right at home. So I wanted to show you an experiment that I have ready, and this is something you can probably do really easily at home too. So if you have a grown-up like mom or dad there with you, you might want to invite them to take a look and see if they can set up a science experiment just like this one for you at home. But don't worry, if you don't have these things at home, you can watch what I do on my video and it'll still be really, really fun. So to do the science experiment, you will need 6 glasses. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's kind of important to make sure that these are glasses that you can see through. These are made of real glass, so just like when we're in school, you'll have to be very, very careful and hold them with 2 hands. In 3 of the glasses, I filled them up about halfway with water. Then I put some food coloring in them. I used 3 colors of food coloring. The primary colors, you might remember about primary colors from when we do the color tablet work in the sensorial area. The 3 primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. Hopefully you have those colors at your house. But again, if you don't, that's okay, you can just watch. The other 3 glasses are empty. You do not have to put anything in them. We're going to keep them empty. The next thing you're going to need is 6 paper towels. My paper towels kind of come like this, where I can have a half of a sheet. If your paper towels are a whole square, that's okay. But you'll need 6 of them, and you're going to fold them in thirds like this. So it should look like a really long rectangle when you're finished. Okay, now comes the fun part. I'm going to kind of arrange my glasses in sort of a circle. And I'm going to make sure that I have red and then an empty glass, and then yellow, and then an empty glass, and then blue, and then an empty glass. So they're kind of in a circle, but in between each of the primary colors is an empty glass. So red, empty, yellow, empty, blue, empty. Now I'm going to take my paper towel and I'm going to put one end into the red water. And it can go all the way down to the bottom. And I'm going to fold the other part so it's just leaning down inside the empty glass. You already might notice something happening. Now I'm going to take a second paper towel and I'm going to put it in the yellow water. And the other part is also going to go in this empty glass. Now I'm going to do the same thing with yellow, another one in yellow to the empty glass, and now blue to the empty glass. Now a second one in blue to this empty glass, and another one in red to this empty glass. So moms and dads, hopefully you can get a good look at what I did here so that each paper towel has one end in the color and one end in the empty glass. Now we're going to put our scientist hats on and we're going to observe. Scientists do a lot of watching and waiting. I wonder if you could make a hypothesis about what might happen with the colors of water. A hypothesis means that you make an educated guess. You really think about it and you give your very best guess about what might happen. So let's observe for a minute. Do you notice anything changing? Is there anything different that has happened since I put the paper towels in the water? Mr. Sever, maybe you can get a close-up of some of the glasses. Mr. Sever is helping me take this video. I wonder what will happen with the empty glasses. Do you have any ideas? What's your hypothesis? I wonder if the paper towels will change. Do you have any guesses what might happen there? I wonder how long I'll have to observe to know what's going to happen. Sometimes scientists have to observe for a really long time to find out what will happen in an experiment. Kindergarten friends or extended day friends, I would really, or anyone who's interested, I would really like to invite you to maybe draw a picture of what we have set up here, just like what we do in our classroom at school when we do a science experiment. We like to draw the experiment, and then as you make observations, you can add things to your drawing to show what's happening. Or you can draw a new set of pictures every few minutes, or maybe every half an hour. You can come and observe and see if there's any changes and draw a new picture of what it looks like now. So I'm gonna let you go ahead and be scientists at home. I'm gonna be a scientist here at my house, and I'll come back in a little while, maybe an hour. I'll come back and I'll take another video and we'll make some new observations to see how our experiment has changed. I cannot wait to hear what your hypotheses are about what might happen with the colored water. See you soon, guys. Bye.